Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. OBD-II Code B0004 is a fault code that indicates an issue with the driver knee bolster deployment control, subfault. This means there is a problem with the deployment control of the driver's knee bolster in the event of a collision. When you encounter this OBD error, the vehicle typically exhibits the following symptoms. 1. Airbag warning light is on. 2. SRS, supplemental restraint system, warning light is on. 3. SRS system may not function properly. Now we talk about possible causes, and how to diagnose and fix. Loose or damaged wiring/connectors to the driver knee bolster deployment control. Use a multimeter to check the continuity of the wiring and connectors. Inspect for any visible damage or corrosion. Repair or replace any damaged wiring or connectors. Make sure all connections are secure and free of corrosion. Faulty driver knee bolster deployment control module. Use an OBD-II scanner to check for any other related fault codes. If no other codes are present, then the module is likely faulty. Replace the driver knee bolster deployment control module with a new one, following the vehicle's service manual for proper installation. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.